Good morning, students. Today we are going to again learn HCF and a few word problems based on HCF. Now, HCF of, that is highest common factor of 120 and 144. This is from question number 1. Practice set 24, question number 1. In that fifth one, remaining you have to do as homework. So, 120 and 144. Now we'll find out factors of 120. 1 as you know and 120. Then 2 is 260 340 will be 120. 430 5 is 120 divided by 5 if you don't know. 5 2 10. 5 24 24. Then 6 they will require more place. So let me write it like this way. 120, then 260 is 120, 340 is then 430 is 5 24 is 24. 24 is 6. 20 is 6. 7 it won't go. 8 is 120 divided by 8. 8 was the 8. Remainder is 4. 8 5 is 40. 15 is 8. 15 is then 8. 9 times table it won't go. 10. 10 12 is that is 10 and 12 here. 10 and 12. So these many numbers are the factors of 120. That is factors of 120 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 50, 40, 60 and 120. Then come to factors of 144. 144 only. 144. Then 2 it will get divided by 2 144 divided by 2. 2 7 14. 0 0 0. Bring down 4. 2 2 4. 72. Then 3 is half. Let us see whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 4, 8, 9. Yes, 144 divisible by 3. Test of divisibility of 3 you apply. 3 4 is 12. 2 is remainder, bring down 3 8 is 24. So 3 and 48. Next one 4 let us see 144 4 4 3 is 12. Bring down 2. Then 4 6 is 24. 4 36 then 5 it won't go 6 let us divide by 6 and see 6 144 divided by 6 6 2 12 12 2 is the remainder bring down 4 6 4 is 24 so 6 and 24 then come 6 7 it won't come 8 144 divided by 8. 8 was the 8, 6 is the remainder, 8 8 is 64. 0 0. 8 and 18. 8 and 18. I'll write here 144, then 72, 48, 36, 24. 8 and 18 is there. 8 9s are, let us try and see. 144 9s are 9 1s are 9, 10 11 12 13 14, 5, bring down 4, 6 9s are 54. So 9 and 16, then 10s are, it won't go. 11s are no. 12s are, 12s are is 144. So 12s are. So we have got this many numbers, that is factors of 144. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 16, 18, 24, 36, 48, 72, 144. In this way we got the factors of 120 and 144. So we'll find out common factors. Common factors of 120 and 144. What will we get? See, common factors 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Then we have 6, 6. We have 8, we have 8. 9, 12. We have got 12 here. 15 no, 16, 18 no. Then 24. We have got 24 here. Here also 24. Then after that, there's nothing common. So the common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So among the common factors, the biggest one is 24. Therefore, HCF of 120 and 144 is 24. We got the HCF. In this way, we can find out HCF for the bigger numbers. Now, next question. Question number 2. If large square beds of equal size are to be made for planting vegetables on a plot of land 18 meters long and 15 meters wide, what is the maximum possible length of each piece? Means there is a large land and it has to be divided into equal size, square beds of equal size. Square pieces, it should be divided into square pieces of equal size, or like this way. So the length is given as 18 meters long and the breadth is given as 15 meters or 15 meters wide. Length is equal to as 18 meters and breadth is equal to, or wide is breadth is equal to as 15 meters. What is the maximum possible length of each piece of the square piece? So we will find out for these the length of, therefore the length of each square piece is equal to HCF of 18 and 15. So let us take 18 and 15 and find out in this manner only. So factors of 18, very easy number. 1 18s are, then 2 9s are 18, then 3 6 is 18. Between 6 and 3 there is no other number, so this is 6, 9 and 18. This much only numbers we have. 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18 and 3 6 is 18. Then factors of 15. This also has got very few numbers. 1 into 15. Then 3. 3 5s is 3 5s are 15. No other number. So therefore here, what is the common factor we have to find out? Common factor of 18 and 15 is what? Common factors 1, 1, 3, 3. Yes, 1 and 3 only. So among this biggest one is 3. Therefore, HCF of 18 and 15 is equal to as 3. Therefore, the length of square piece. Therefore, the length of each square piece of land is 3 meters. Now let us go with the next question, that is question number 3 of HCF only, same practice set 24. Now see, two ropes, one 8 meters long and the other of 12 meters long. So two ropes are there. Suppose this is 8 meters and another of 12 meters long. These two ropes are cut into pieces. They are cut into equal pieces. Equal pieces of same length. Same length it should be cut. So, what will be the maximum possible length of each piece? So, we have to find out what is the measure of the each piece that we have to find out. So, to find out this, again we can find out the HCF of the length of the rope. Then we will get the length of the maximum possible length of each piece. So, solution, length of the ropes given. Length of ropes is what? 8 meters and 12 meters. So, what is the maximum? The maximum possible length of each piece will be HCF of 8 and 12. So let us take 8 and 12 are the numbers. So let us find out same way factors of 8. 1 into 8 are 2 4s are 8. In between 2 and 4 there is no other factors. 1, 2, 4 and 8. Then factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 3s is 12. 3 4s are 12. 2 6 are 12. Then 1 12 are 12. Okay. These are the factors of 12. Now, find out the common factor. Common factors of 8 and 12 is 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Among this, the highest one is 4. Therefore, HCF of 12 and 8 is 4. So, therefore, the maximum length of each piece is 4 meters. 4 meters. Now, let us go with the next topic. HCF is over. The remaining question of practice set 24, question number 4 and 5, you no need to do it. You have to complete practice set question number 1, 2 and 3 already I have solved. You have to practice. Now let us go with the next topic, LCM, that is least or lowest common multiple. LCM. Next topic is LCM, that is full form is lowest common multiples. How to find out the lowest or the least? We can say least also. So, example 1. Suppose if you want to find out LCM of 3 and 8. So, you have to find out multiples of 3. Right? Multiples of 3. That is table of 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27, 3 10 is 30. Now, next multiples of 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72, 8 10 is 80. So here as we have found out HCF common factor, so also here we have to find out common multiples. So find common multiples of 3 and 8. So here which are the common numbers you have to see. This 24 is common, 24 common. Any other common? No. So the least one, what is LCM telling you? It is the lowest common multiple. Among the common multiples, the first one common, that will be the LCM of the given numbers. Here HCF means the highest. We have to find out the highest one. Here lowest means the least common multiple we have to find out. So the common multiples are, we have got only one, that is 24. And that only will be the LCM. Therefore, LCM of 3 and 8 is 24. In this way we find out. We can find out LCM for more than 2 numbers also. So let us find out example 2. Suppose 2, 3 and 4 we have to find out, or 5 suppose. 2, 3 and 5. You have to find out the LCM of this. So, you write multiples of 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18, 2 10 is 20. Then multiples of 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27, 3 10 is 30. Three 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Come to the multiples of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35, 5 8 are 40, 5 9 are 45 and 5 10 are 50. So we got the multiples, all the multiples of 2, 3 and 5. So find out common multiples of 2, 3 and 5. What are the common multiples? So find out the common numbers here. 6. In all three, it must be common in all three. So where did we get? 20 is here, but it is here, but not in 3 tables. This will go very, it will go very lengthier. So I will change this as 4, as number 4. So multiples of 4. Let us take multiples of 4. 1, 4, 4 to the 8. 4 is 12. 4 4 is 16. 4 5 20. 4 6 is 24. 4 7 is 28. 4 8 is 32. 4 9 is 36. 4 10 is 40. So find out common multiples of 2, 3 and 4. So here also you see 6, 6. Here it is not there. 12, 12, 12 is there. 12, 12, 12. Again any more? 18 is here but not here. 20, no. 24. See. 2 11s are 22. 2 12s is 24. 24 we get here, 24 we get here, 24 we get here. Suppose if any one of the number we are not getting common multiples, then we have to write the multiples of that particular number as 11s are, 12s are, 13s are and so on. As I have written here, 11s are and 12s are. 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24. I got another common to show you. Just this was not needed also. I got already common in all the three, that is 12, 12, 12. That is enough. But still I have showed you to find out how to find out. If we are not getting common, then we have to go further with the tables. So common multiples of 2, 3 and 4 is 12 and 24. Therefore here LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is the least one, that is 12. Is 12. So this is all about LCM.